to your oath.
Yes, sir.
Pen and paper. The Hippocratic Oath has served as a guide of conduct for the medical profession through the ages. As early as 15th century before Christ, Hippocrates is recognized medicine as a profession heralding service to patients, learners, and society while maintaining the highest standards of professionalism. Today, the batch of 2018 wishes to take the oath to declare their commitment to the principles of Hippocratic Oath of Ethics. Their declaration, make no mistake, will be essential to their identity as physicians, as the doctors of medicine degree they receive today. In reciting this oath, we graduates declare allegiance to an ancient, honorable, and durable tradition, the survival of which is important for the welfare of the sick and of the society. So, let's do this slowly and meaningfully together. I will recite and you will repeat after me. I swear to fulfill to the best of my ability and judgment this covenant. I will respect the hard-earned scientific gains of those physicians in whose steps I walk and gladly share such knowledge as in mine with those who are to follow. I will apply for the benefit of the sick all measures which are required. Avoid those twin traps of overtreatment and therapeutic nihilism. I will remember that there is art of medicine as well as science, and that warmth, sympathy, and understanding may outweigh the surgeon's knife or the chemist's drug. I will not be ashamed to say, I know not, nor will I fail to call in my colleagues when the skills of another are needed for a patient's recovery. I will respect the privacy of my patients, for their problems are not disclosed to me, that the world may know. Most especially, must I tread with care in matters of life and death. Above all, not play at God. I will remember that I do not treat a fever child, a cancerous growth, but a sick human being, whose illness may affect the person's family and economic stability. My responsibility includes these related problems. If I am to care adequately for the sick, I will prevent disease when I can. For prevention is preferable to cure. I will remember that I remain a member of society with special obligations to all my fellow human beings. Those sound of mind and body, as well as the infirm. If I do not violate this oath, may I enjoy life and art, respected while I live, and remembered with affection thereafter. May I always act so as to preserve the finest traditions of my calling, and may I long experience the joy of healing those who seek my help. So we now welcome you to the honorable profession of medicine.